Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Today we'll discuss about one special flight which is scheduled on 31st of August from Oman to Uganda. There is another, and it's only second flight. Since the corona started, the corona pandemic happened in Oman after March. The lockdown started also, and till now only two flight. The first was on 12th August, which took only 170 passenger from Oman to Uganda, and the second flight is scheduled on 31st of August, and it will carry 360 passenger. Mean 360 more passenger they can fly back to Uganda. So all those Uganda people who wish to go back to their home country, they can book, they can arrange their self, they can book and they can prepare their self to fly back to Uganda as soon as possible, because only those people will get ticket who will buy as soon as possible, as early. So all that friends, a few of them, they are used to comment also that they don't know English, or sorry, they don't know Punjabi or our language Urdu, and they used to said me that please translate in English whenever we are posting a video about airport. So it's very good news for all of them, especially Uganda people who are stuck in Oman. Many of them are housemaids, domestic workers, then many of them are lecturers also, and some other departments they are working. Not only we think that majority is Bangladeshi, Indian, Pakistani, Filipino, also Uganda national people are more than 27,000. Uganda nationality, all those who are in Oman, their number are 27,000. So in corona pandemic when it started, many of them, you can say few thousands, they lost their jobs and still waiting to airport opening. So it's very good news for them. At least 360 more people they can fly back to Uganda. So good luck for everyone. Good luck for all those who will fly from this flight. This flight schedule is on 31st of August. So please check with your community, because the community itself, the Uganda people, who are living in Oman, they are they are preparing it actually themselves. It's not arranging by their government or Oman government. The community itself, they are arranging it, they are organizing it. So hopefully, inshallah khair, we will pray for good. As soon as possible airport should be open, so all people can fly back to their homes and they can meet their family. Inshallah khair, stay blessed always. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.